Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit, VR Trader, and this is a VR tutorial here on Metastock looking at the S&P 500 and also my annual forecast model. Many of you who do subscribe to VR Trader know I've been bearish. I've been bearish pretty much since the end of January or during January when the annual forecast model also forecast a decline, but the January barometer, having closed down for January, said this year could be a negative year. And so far, even though we had a rally, look at the S&P here. I think we're down for the year. Not a lot, but has not been a good year for those index holders. At the screen here, you're looking at Leibovit negative VRs here that pretty much warned that something was going wrong. But let's flip over to the annual forecast model for a second so you get an idea of what I'm looking at. Now, people who subscribe to VRTrader.com have to pay extra for the forecast model. It incorporates a lot of different models. This is just one of them for the Dow Jones. This was published in January, late January, and it told you, watch out, we can get a big sell-off here in the July-August period and perhaps even a crash or mini crash. So I haven't been that excited about the market this year. I know the S&P has gone higher. We've done a lot of individual trading, but this is not good. This is telling us this year could be a negative year, and so far it's been correct, even though we did go higher first, and also again, the negative VRs that we got here in the last few days, and frankly, since July, were warning us. Look at the negative VRs. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 against two positives here in the last month and a half. So that was sort of confirming the time window that I just showed you in the forecast model, which was looking for that July-August period. So for those of you trading, you know, the way I do it, I look at the VR. It's negative, stochastic is in a downtrend. You play it. So these two would have been plays. The negative VR that's formed today, I don't think I would chase the market here, even though I'm still bearish. I don't like to chase it when the stochastic is way down here. So I'm just going to, on a trading basis, stand aside. But you know, when the stochastic is rising, you want a positive VR to play it. Here we had a little positive VR, and the stochastic was still rising, so it was a couple-day trade here to the upside. But as soon as the negative came in, you play the short. And this positive VR here we ignore. Why? Because the stochastic, which is a 533 stochastic, is in a downtrend. So it's very simple here. Warning, we've had a nice sell-off. So I'm going to watch it here a little bit, and I would still speculate that there's probably some more pressure here to the downside in the overall market because of the preponderance of negative VRs and because of the forecast model. Thanks for checking in. We'll get back to you real soon.